Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix face not recognized. Try again, try face ID again. So guys, when you try to recognize your face ID and you are facing this issue that your face is not recognized, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings. After this guys, you need to scroll it below. From here you will see the option of face ID and passcode. You have to click on it. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and after this you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of reset face ID. You have to reset your face ID, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still you are facing this issue, then you need to go back. From here you have to click on general tab, and guys you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you need to reset all settings, and after this you need to go back. From here you have to check your software update, and you need to update your device to latest iOS version, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now after doing all these settings, you have to restart your device, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Store, and guys after doing this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to select your gadget. As you can see, you have to select your gadget here, scroll it down. From here you have to click on more, and now you need to scroll it down, and guys here you can see the option of face ID. You have to click on this, and now you need to wait. Scroll it below, and here you can see the option of call, and guys you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.